different about me? I have new hair. So in the fall, I like to wear big curly hair. Peace, guys. I am visual artist Brittany Ann, and welcome back to another studio vlog. So as promised, I did want to do a video about the progress of how my I just drank coffee. The studio is actually done. Well, the renovation part is done. And funny story before I even continue. I had a completely different intro for this video. I like to actually edit the video as I'm filming, if that makes sense. I like to edit as I go along. At the very last minute, I went to upload it from my video editing software that I'm using currently. For some odd reason, it completely deleted the entire intro to my video. It was a nice, pretty intro. My kids were in it, and it deleted everything. Unfortunately, I couldn't re-upload it because I deleted it off my card that comes with my camera. So yeah, so now it's the same day that I film the outro of this video, which I usually don't do. Usually it's on different days because I actually film, vlog throughout the entire week, sometimes 2 weeks. So yeah, a whole week of vlogging was in my intro and it deleted everything. So I will be shopping for a new video editor. I'm just putting that out there. Like I said, the renovation part of the studio is finished. However, I'm still moving stuff in and still kind of tweaking everything and making it unique to me and making it my space. I just wanted to, I don't even know what to say now because I mean, I already did an intro for this video. I already did the intro and now I'm doing another one. It's like, I don't know what to say. Anyway, let's just continue. Friday. I'm in my studio today. It's definitely not done, but man, is it a change from when I first showed you guys the inside of the studio. It was just literally nothing but bare walls, and it was a little intimidating. I was like, oh my God, how am I gonna change that to something I want? But we're literally almost at the finish line. Hey, I'm actually going to attempt to hang up my curtains. I just need like a little bit of privacy in here. You know, I kind of live on a big lot. I'm almost on an acre of land. It's not a, people's not that close. I don't think nobody's gonna be like peeking through my window, but you never know. And thinking about switching stuff around, like I thought I had the plan that I wanted, like the floor plan, for the most part is gonna stay the same, but things that's on the wall, I'm probably gonna change it out. So I'm actually going to change out my whiteboard, which is there. I'm gonna move it over here, and then I'm gonna take those pictures and move it over there. So yeah, I just kind of, you know, want it to be like this little comfortable corner, just in case somebody comes and visit me. I plan on having people visit, you know, so they can sit down and chill. I'm actually going to switch those two, and I'm going to hang up my paint on my my pegboard. Try to get it done really quickly. It's cold in here. It's a really cold and rainy day today, so I need to hurry up and get my space heater. I want a very specific space heater. I want the ones that look like fireplaces. I also have to weatherproof the doors. I want to be kind of barricading this place as best as I can. I mean, if I have to hire somebody eventually, I will. You know, since I'm gonna have a heater in here, I don't want any type of animals to think they can crawl up in here and get warm when the winter time comes around. So I try to, you know, mess up my vibe. Like we ain't finna do that. A few things in here. So yeah, I'm excited. What's up, guys? So as you can see, we got a lot done in the studio. Nowhere near done, like I said, but I do want to do like a separate video from when I'm really decorating and getting everything together. The only thing I don't have in the studio is my desk that I'm sitting at currently, and my computer equipment and printer and all that stuff that's really heavy. So once all that is in there, and my space heater that I'll be ordering probably tomorrow, maybe I'll see if I can get it. Once all that is in there, then I'm done. Like, I could just completely move in. I've been waiting the last minute to move my desk and my computer because orders keep coming in, and I don't want to, you know, I'm just kind of scared that, you know, I might move into the studio and then there's some type of technical issue, and then all of a sudden I can't fill orders. You know, I don't want to, you know, put that out there, but I want it to be a smooth transition. I just want to make sure I get all my orders out before I move any computer equipment, you know. So I mean, yeah, today I'm just gonna chill. I don't think I'm going to the studio today. I don't know. I went in there last night. This is the first time I went in there at night because I'm kind of scared to walk in the backyard at night. I went in there last night and put my record player in there because my daughter, my toddler, is constantly playing with my record player and I don't want her breaking it. So I went ahead and moved that in the studio last night just to get it out of her eyesight. But yeah, it wasn't too bad back there at night. So that's good. I'm just making sure, you know, I'm able to have like late nights working in there, you know, and not be scared. It was a weird morning. I don't know, like sometimes people come to my inbox on Instagram with weird stuff. So this morning was very interesting. Somebody came into my inbox and asked me for money. Just a random follower just asked me for money. Like, you know, they didn't have any type of story. They just asked me for $100 and said they'll pay me back. I don't, literally a stranger, I don't know this person. Stuff like that makes me very uncomfortable, and the reason is because if I say no, you know, people are weird and may like, oh, you know, I asked them and then they, you know, it was weird. It was weird to say the least. I was like, what? Early in the morning. Anyway, I hope they get the funds that they need. I actually packed orders this morning and I'm going to finish up my client work that the deadline is coming up and I need to go ahead and get that done. And then I'll have a whole, oh my goodness, whole list of things to put in my planner. This is my weekly planner that I actually just started. And Monday I always fill out my whole week. I actually got that idea from Furry Little Peach. I love her. So she had this video about productivity that I watched at least 3 times because I am really trying to be better at managing my time and getting all of my orders, client work. I also just took on Patreon as well, and I wanted to, you know, I want to be able to balance all of that. So any type of video about productivity for freelance artists, I'm all for it. I grabbed this planner and I got like a whole list of things that I want to do for Zola Arts Factory, and I literally was thinking about this stuff I think it was like 2, 3 o'clock in the morning. I woke up, woke up to use the bathroom, how regular people do. And I had all these ideas in my head. It was like 3 o'clock in the morning and I hurried up and wrote it down in the notes section on my iPhone just so I won't forget it. Cause I always have ideas like in the middle of the night, and then by the time the morning comes, I forget what I thought about. So immediately I wrote it down in my phone. I suggest anybody do that just so you won't, especially if you're a creative, just so you won't lose that idea. Write it down immediately as soon as you have it. At least you'll get some sleep the next morning. If it sounds like a bad idea, you know, you can just delete it. But I don't wanna forget ideas. But I have a whole list of things I'm gonna be doing. One is a newsletter. I will be starting a newsletter. I have a lot of experience with writing newsletters. My old 9-to-5, I used to write the newsletter for the company, and I literally did like a blast email to the whole company, managers, execs, all that. Got this newsletter that I used to write. So I actually want to do that again. It was pretty fun. So I'm going to be starting a newsletter for Zola Arts Factory, probably going to be like on a subscriber based thing, and as well for my patrons will be able to have access to it. So anyway, next video will be me in the studio, and I'll be giving a studio tour. Yes. All right, so I'm gonna end the vlog here. I'm pretty sure it's long. It's probably like 15 minutes long. I'm not sure. I'm actually editing it as I'm going. So yeah, thanks so much for watching. If you want to, go ahead and subscribe. Why not? I mean, why not? I'm not gonna bother you too much. I ain't gonna bother you too much. Also, I have a Patreon. I'm just throwing it out there. You don't have to. I got a Patreon. Also follow me on Instagram, where I'm always at Zola Art Factory, Zola Art Factory on Instagram. All right guys, thanks so much for watching. Peace.